racers, come on, focus. Yes, that's the way. Oh, this is only the start. It feels light. It is light. Come on, you're gonna keep thinking that it's light. Even if it feels heavy, you got to tell it it's light. Yes, right. I think you're very brave to do this. Oh, some of them got different tactics, yeah? Some keep still, some like me. We gotta keep it going for the next 50. Come on. Hands in the air. Samsung Olympic Torchbearer Challenge. These are the men and women. The supporters for the challenge, you don't have to sit so far away, you know, you can come closer and cheer your friend on, your loved one as well. We've got, of course, barricades, so you just have to stand outside there. Alright, the officials are looking at all of you, so you have to keep your hands up.